name's Jenny. I'm one of the staff at the Wollongong City Library Local Studies section, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can find a picture of your special place to use in your entry in the Primary School Local History Prize. And it's going to be easy because at our library we've got a collection of over 30,000 historic photos of the Illawarra. So right now I'm going to show you how you can find one. Is Google Wollongong City Libraries. Click on the link and search the catalogue. We've got over 30,000 historic photos, so hopefully there'll be one of your special place. So click on search. From here you can search our entire catalogue. Movies, maps, books, photographs, but we just want the image at this stage. So if we go over to the arrow here and select Illawarra Images, it'll search just for the photographs. So let's think of some things that we might be interested in. Perhaps you like going fishing on Lake Illawarra. Type in Lake Illawarra and press enter, and you'll see 655 photos that are somehow related to Lake Illawarra. One might be of interest to you. Some other ideas, perhaps you like going swimming at Dapto Pool. Dapto Pool. "15 photos related to the Dapto Pool." Maybe you like going to the beach at Tauroggi. Type in Tauroggi Beach. Press enter. 35 photos that somehow relate to the beach at Tauroggi. You might be a scout and you like going on scout camps at Mount Kira. Scouts and Kira. So you just have to type in keywords that relate to what you're interested in. Here we've got 38 photos that relate to scouting and Mount Kira. You might like going for a picnic at Stewart Park. Stewart Park, and we've got 120 photos of Stewart Park. Me, I'm interested in Fairy Creek because of my memories of boating with Dad. Type in Fairy Creek and press enter, and we've got 74 images. So let's have a look in more detail. So we've got 74 images, and the first page is showing us 20 of those images. They're shown in thumbnail view, so we can scroll down them. I want to go to the next page, so I click on number 2 and scroll down. And here I see one that's got some people in a boat, so I want to investigate that more. It says it's taken in 1930. So click on the title for Fairy Creek there. And here up pops our record for that photograph. Now, importantly, if you're entering the local history prize, you need to quote the image number that you use on your entry form, and here it is, image number P03914. So you'd need to quote that. If you want to have a look more closely at the image, if you go over here to full image, view full image, and click on that, a larger display of the image appears, and you can even zoom in or out. If you're interested in one of the photos, we go back to full display and then right click on the thumbnail. So by right click, I mean when on your mouse, use the right button on the mouse, click on that, and then you can save your image. So I'm going to save my image as. So if I save it as, up comes the title. Now I can amend it in some way. So that I understand it a bit better. And I'm going to save it to my desktop, which is over here. If I click on save, then my photo has been saved to my computer and I'll be able to insert that into my competition entry form. So that's the basics of how you use it. You will need to find a photo that interests you of a place in your local area. So they were examples of things where we had some idea of something that interested us. Perhaps you haven't got a specific idea, so you might just be a bit more broader. Say you live in Quingilla. You might type in the word Quingilla, click on go, and then you see all the photos that relate to Quingilla. And you could select something from there. So maybe you like going to the park in Quingilla. So here's the Quingilla Community Park in 1991. And here's some information about it. This photo used to have one time appeared in the Illawarra Mercury, the newspaper. And here's the image number for it down here. So have a go. You can't do anything wrong. All you have to do is get yourself to the library catalogue. As I said, select Illawarra Images over there and then just start typing in some words of things that interest you. That'll help you to come up with an idea for a special place that you'd like to research in your competition entry. Thanks.